So you need to set up a Zoom link. Well, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to set up a Zoom link. There's actually two different ways that you can create Zoom links for your audience, but I want to show you the Zoom way first, and then I'll share with you an amazing way to create Zoom links and ensure that your audience actually shows up for the meetings because they're gonna get alerts. So let's go ahead and get into it right now. Right, so the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Zoom account. If you don't have a Zoom account, simply create one. So what you'll do is click here, top right-hand corner. Then you're gonna come down to the third tab on the left-hand side and click Meetings. When you click Meetings, you're gonna wanna go over to the far right corner where it says Schedule Meeting. Here you will type in the name of your meeting. You will be able to click on the box to select your date. Just FYI, if you need to advance to the next month, you'll simply click the first arrow. If you need to advance to August 2023, you will click this arrow. So let's go back. So we're August 2022. Let's say the meeting is on Thursday, the 25th. Simply click there. The next box, you will select the time. And the following box, you will select AM or PM. The next thing you want to make sure is that you have the proper time zone selected for where the meeting host is, okay? Then you'll get to decide if this is going to be a reoccurring meeting. Now, the next thing is that you get to decide if you need the participants to actually register, okay? Finally, or I should say next, is where you will use your personal meeting ID number assigned to you by Zoom, or you can generate a new meeting ID each and every time. I do not use the template feature. However, I'm sure it is there for you. If you have a set meeting template that you use over and over again, it would keep you from having to populate something new each and every time. Finally, you decide if people will log in with a passcode or you can just put them in a meeting room. The difference being the passcode is sent out to the guests in advance, whereas the meeting room, you actually have to allow the participants in. So depending on who's attending your meeting and what information you've already captured, you would want to decide what security features you want around people being able to actually enter your Zoom room. The next section is where you decide if your video will be on or off, and the same thing for the participants. When they enter, do you want the video to be on or off? Finally, there are several options to be selected as it relates to audio. So can they use computer audio, phone in, or actually both? Once you have actually done this, set up a date, time, the correct time zone, and how you want people to log into the room, the next step is to hit save. Once save is done, a meeting link now has been generated. You can see it right here. It's the invite link. What you'll want to do is come over and actually hit copy. It pulls up all of the full details, the meeting number, the phone numbers for those who need to dial in. So you just click here, copy that information, and you're able to post it. However, if you're already set up with Google Calendar, Outlook, or Yahoo Calendar, then you're able to share it there as well. In the very next video, I'll show you how you can use a software that I highly recommend that you use, not only because getting a Zoom link is easy, but in the next video, you're going to see how you can have notifications, AKA reminders, go off to people who have signed up for your Zoom meeting, and bonus, you're going to be able to capture feedback. I'll see you in the next video.